back to the moment to hand first, and as far as tonight goes, it's plunging temperatures, a widespread frost expected, and then those nasty wintry showers in the very far north of Scotland as well as the west. If you are out and about in these areas, do take extra care. So as we go into our Sunday morning, for the bulk of the country, most of England and Wales, some good, pleasant, spring-like sunshine around. Great morning for getting out and about. And then further north, there we see those wintry conditions, rain, hail, sleet and even snow, especially so in the northeast and the north of Scotland, and some of these just filtering southwards there. During the course of the afternoon, come around about lunchtime, we see bits and pieces of rain showing up there in the southwest, and then that gradually creeps across southern counties as well as up into South Wales. Otherwise, a fairly pleasant end to the day, with temperatures 6 to 8 in the south, that's the mid-40s, a chillier 3 to 5 or high 30s in the north. Here's tomorrow's summary.
Central Weather, sponsored by Legal & General.
Good evening. Beautiful clear skies will give us a cold, misty and frosty night, with temperatures getting down to -3. Icy patches could form on the roads first thing, but apart from that, another fine dry day tomorrow with possibly even more sunnier spells. Temperatures reaching the high 40s, perfect conditions for a Sunday outside. Bye-bye.
In the fight against crime, this cop has one big advantage. He's indestructible. Robocop, our movie premiere next on Central. The Central match live on Sunday. Two of the sides that stand between Midlands teams and promotion to the Premier League. Crystal Palace are the hot favourites, whilst realistically, Charlton Athletic could still be caught. The Central match live. All action Sunday football at 2:50 on Central.
Now let's try and get a little closer. Yes, the nocturnal activities of this species are fascinating. While some nibble delicious wafer-thin after eights, others hoard for the long night ahead. Here we see a challenge to the dominant male, who's already clearly marked his territory. With awesome eyesight, this creature spots one lone after eight, swoops and devours mercilessly.
What? Blasted film crew got in here again.
Oh dear, looks as though we've been spotted.
With rock bottom prices all around the store, you can count on lots of change at QuickSave.
The first time you see one, you'd be forgiven for being curious, because there's never been a body foam towel quite like the new Invisible Ultra. It's specially shaped, has a dry top layer to keep you feeling fresh, and is cleverly compressed to give you big towel protection in a very discreet towel.
The Coca-Cola Football Match Card. Scratch the card. Match the winning number.
Win the prizes!
Coca-Cola World Cup footballs.
Win the prizes!
Coca-Cola Cup final seats.
Win the prizes!
Sega Mega Drives and soccer games.
Win the prizes!
World Cup final tickets. Scratch, match and win with Coca-Cola.
Persil Colour loves colours like shocking pink, but it really hates egg yolk yellow. Persil Colour's a big fan of fire engine red, but it can't stand grass green. And Persil Colour is crazy about sky blue, but it loathes chocolate brown. That's because Persil Colour has bleach-free stain eliminators to get rid of difficult stains like these, while protecting the colours wash after wash. Persil Colour loves colours, hates stains.
As you decide where to secure your savings for the future, consider entrusting it with NPI, because NPI are already looking after £7 billion and specialise in one thing. As time goes by, you'll be glad you chose NPI.
Here's the answer to everything you want from a car. A car built with passion. Fiat presents the new Fiat Punto. Designed with more space, more safety, and more flair. Fiat Punto. The answer.
8:30 Sunday. Anna Lee about to break a golden rule.
First rule in the book, never work for friends.
You are treading on very thin ice, Miss Lee.
He seems to have found a new playmate, hasn't he, Anna?
We'd like to ask you some questions, Miss Lee.
Oh, questions. Do I get a prize?
Another woman? I'll see about that. Now, due to your lack of tact and discretion, a young woman has been tipped over the emotional edge and has committed murder.
Laura did not kill Mary Vince.
8:30 Sunday. Anna Lee.
Now on Central, Movie Time.
ITV and Diet Coke present Movie Premiere.
What's up, Johnny? Okay, everybody, when you're ready, we'll have the camera in first position. Donna, check the date. Okay, folks, we're on to the next setup.